Celebrities who donated money to fight virus outbreak. Akshay Kumar. Leading Bollywood actor Akshay Kumar has always come forward in support of Indian government. The actor has donated a whopping amount of 25 crores to the Prime Minister's Relief Fund to fight against COVID-19. The actor has pledged the people to stay at home to stay safe and to stop spreading the deadly virus. Hrithik Roshan. Hrithik Roshan is one of the highest paid actors in Bollywood, and the actor has donated a huge amount to the Maharashtra government. During the outbreak of deadly COVID-19, the actor decided to donate a huge amount of 20 lakhs for the well-being of BMC. The actor himself urged people to come forward and help government in this situation by donating as much as possible. Prabhas. Bahubali actor Prabhas, as a responsible citizen, decided to help the Indian government in this time of lockdown. The actor donated a whopping amount of 3 crores to the PM Relief Fund to fight against COVID-19. He also donated 50 lakhs each to the Chief Minister Relief Fund of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana district. Mahesh Babu. South Indian superstar Mahesh Babu has come forward to help the Indian government in preventing COVID-19. The actor has donated a hefty amount of 1 crore to the relief fund made for preventive measures for coronavirus. Rajinikanth. The Thalaiva of Indian cinema, Rajinikanth, has come as a savior in this despair situation. He is the first celebrity to donate money. The superstar of South Indian cinema has donated a hefty amount of 50 lakhs rupees to help the daily wage workers. The actor has requested everyone to stay at home during this lockdown period of 21 days. Kapil Sharma. India's highest paid comedian Kapil Sharma has also decided to help the Indian government during this pandemic disease. The comedian has donated a huge amount of 50 lakhs rupees to the PM Relief Fund to fight COVID-19. The comedian has also requested everyone to stay safe and to stay at home. Pawan Kalyan. Famous Telugu actor Pawan Kalyan is president of Janasena Party. The actor has donated a huge amount of 2 crores to the Prime Minister's Relief Fund to prevent COVID-19. Ram Charan. Another popular Telugu actor, Pawan Kalyan's nephew Ram Charan, has also come forward to help the Indian government. The actor has donated a large amount of 70 lakhs rupees to Prime Minister's Relief Fund. The actor wished the speedy recovery of the ill people and also pleaded Indian people to stay at home. Chiranjeevi. Telugu star Chiranjeevi has also donated a large sum of money to fight against coronavirus. The actor donated a whopping amount of 1 crore to PM's Relief Fund and asked people to obey the government and their preventive measures. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.